Assalamu alaikum students. The question that we are doing right now, that is question number 13 of exercise 13A d1, and the question is related to the area and the perimeter of a figure, that is a plane figure. We have one side of the figure is related to a semicircle, in one side of the figure is related to a triangle. So let me read the question and then we will solve it. A figure is made up of a triangle ABD. A figure is made up of a triangle ABD and a semicircle BOD. BOD is the diameter of a semicircle. BOD is the diameter of a semicircle with center O, and the center is O here. If AB and AD is 5.7 centimeter, AB and AD, they are 5.7 centimeter. It's mean 5.7 and 5.7 centimeter. Then we can say BD is equals to 7 meter, that is B to D, that is 7 centimeter, and AOC is equals to 8 centimeter. Where is AOC? AO and C. It's mean the whole length is 8 centimeter. Then what they're asking to find? They're asking to find the perimeter and then you have to find the area. So one by one we are finding the values. So for perimeter, what we need to do? For perimeter, what we need to do for perimeter, we want perimeter of this part and perimeter of this part. So that is half of a circle. For half of the circle, we are having formula pi d over 2 for the perimeter, and then plus this length plus this length. So it will be 5.7 meter plus 5.7 meter. We can write it as BA plus AD also. So according to this, what is D? Pi has its own value and D is 7 meter, and divided by 2, then we have to add 5.7 and 5.7. It will be 5.7 plus 5.7 is equals to 11.4 meter, and then 7 into pi divided by 2, and then we have to add it in 11.4, that is equals to, so the perimeter is equals to 22.395 meter. If we are going to round off this, 22.4 meter, one decimal place, and if we are doing as a whole number, then it will be what? It will be 22 meter. These are the two options, and both of these are your answer according to the condition. Then they are asking to find the area. For area, what we need to do? The area of this semicircle and the area of this triangle. These are the two areas that we need to find in this question. So for this, for area, we have two figures here. One of the figure is half of the circle and then the other one is a triangle, and if this point is C, then the length between C and A is 8 centimeter according to the question, and this length is 7 centimeter. If this length is 7 centimeter, as this is D, then what will be the R? R will be the half of the D, so it will be 3.5 centimeter. So according to the area of this whole figure, what will be the formula? Formula will be area of a semicircle plus area of triangle. That will be the condition. And according to this, area of a semicircle is pi r square divided by 2 because it is a semicircle. And then area of the triangle is 1 over 2 base multiplied by height. So pi has its own value. According to this question, r is 3.5 centimeter and square on it, then plus 1 over 2 from the formula. And what will be the base of this triangle? The base of this triangle is 7 centimeter. And what will be the height? If the whole is 8, then if the whole length from C to A is 8, and we are having the height of this triangle as this, 8 minus 3.5, that is will be 4.5 meter. And then we have to use calculator to find the value. That is 19.242 centimeter square. And then it will be 15.75 centimeter square, and then we need to add them. That is 34.992 centimeter square. That is a required area of a given figure. And if we are going to rounding of this, then A is equals to 35 centimeter square, and it can be your answer. And that is the solution of this question.